This is Roqqu. It's been a while. We haven't made some video for some time now. So, we are here today and it's been raining all day. How is the weather in your area? Hope everything is okay. Hope everyone is good. So, wherever you are watching me from, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, I just want to remind us that the bull run will happen. Please, that is what you must know. Prepare your mind. Many people are discouraged. Some are selling their bags. Oh, the bull run has not happened as you said. It has not happened as you said. And so, please, the bull run is going to happen. What you should know is that you should pray. As I told you before, this is the word transfer series. You are not, it is not meant for everyone. Yeah, you are not obliged to believe. If you believe, fine. If you do not believe, just skip the video. You don't need to watch. So for those of us who have been following and we have invested in some of our cryptos, so today I'm going to teach us how to link our bank account to our Roqqu in preparation for maybe again investment yield for withdrawal. So when you see any crypto you bought that appreciates and you want to sell, it's very simple. Just touch the sell button, type the amount, and it's very easy. You don't need to make any special video about that. After you sell, the money will appear here like this, just the way you have something like this. I'll use this as an example. Okay, so now the next thing, what is our concern here is how to link our bank account for withdrawal. So you're going to touch these three horizontal lines here, and then you're going to touch this arrow here, and then you're going to see payment methods. Okay, once you see payment methods, you are seeing different accounts. We have bank accounts, mobile money, bank cards. So anyone you want to add, you can say I already add some account of mine. So if you want to add another account, simply touch the plus sign here. Then you're going to see select currency. You are selecting Nigeria Naira. Before we do that, you can see these are the different currencies you can open. Nigeria Naira, United States Bank. So if you have a USD bank account number, you can add it. Pounds, Euro, and Ghana cedis. So we are doing Nigeria Naira. Touch Nigeria Naira. Select your bank, which is Palm Pay. Okay. Then type the account number. Then it will automatically bring the account number, the name. If it's the same, you can click add bank account. So you see, it will tell you authorize security by providing the code sent to your registered phone number and email due to the high-risk nature of your chosen bank. So if I click proceed now, you see a code will be sent to my phone number. So I'm supposed to provide this. After that, it will tell me to provide the code. You can see 1/2. Then 2/2 will be the code sent to my email address, and when I provide it, everything will be in order. So this is how you add the bank account to your Roqqu account. And take note that you should do this as soon as possible, because once that has been done, any bank account you add to your Roqqu account will be pending for the next 24 hours. You'll not be able to make any withdrawal to it to confirm that there is no any fishy game going on in your account. Nobody is trying to hack your account. So once it has been confirmed that the account belongs to you, after 24 hours you can start withdrawing to the bank account. So this is how you add your bank account to your Roqqu for withdrawal. Please, if you found value in this video, give us a thumbs up, like this video, comment, give us a positive comment on the video so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to others. Like, share this video with others, and if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, do so. Till we come your way again next time, remain yours faithfully, Roqqu.